Hey guys, let's get to know more about Janico, a beautiful mountain place here in Santiago province. Well, I must tell you that Janico is a municipality which is located south from Santiago. It's south from Santiago de los Caballeros, around 26 kilometers from Santiago de los Caballeros. Besides, I must tell you that this municipality here, has two municipal districts, El Caimito and Juncalito. Those are the two municipal districts belonging to this municipality. Speaking about history of this village, well, I will tell you that this was founded in 1494 by Christopher Columbus, and this was used for Columbus. For Columbus family as a place to estocate, to store, golds. And if you ask me gold, wow, Maximo, what did you mean with gold, this place? Well, I will tell you that this is a place which is located in the Central Mountain Range in the Dominican Republic. In this place, there are so many rivers and so many streams, which at that moment they had a lot of gold flowing into the water. Now we are passing by the municipal house, and there's a tiny park across from the municipal house. Now we are in front of the municipal graveyard. Well, speaking about the population of this village, it is around 20,000 people. Not too many people, honestly. Let me turn back. And that's it, guys. Well, if you love my videos, and please press like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Those are the most important aspects to encourage me to keep up making these videos for you, right? Because you are special.